Hi, my name is Jan Vollert and I want to introduce the demonstration or hands-off workshops to you. So a demonstration workshop is different from a topical workshop as in that it aims to showcase clinical skills, basic research techniques or hands-on techniques relevant to multidisciplinary pain management. And that can include, for example, pain assessment, patient communication or specific therapeutic approaches, as well as new and groundbreaking basic research techniques. A hands-off workshop is really not a hands-on workshop, so it's meant to be on stage versus participants sitting down, so don't think of cadaver workshops or practical usage, but more of a demonstration from the stage up, down. I'm looking forward to your submissions. I'm looking forward to seeing you all in Budapest.